My primary focus, Your Honor, is the scholarship program for medical students as twice proposed to us by no less than our beloved Honorable Governor. During the Brigada Escuela financial assistance distribution to various schools in the province of La Union, the Honorable Governor rendered a message emphasizing the value of education. And thereafter, the Honorable Governor told to this representation and to Board Member Teresita Garcia about our scholarship program for medical students. Implemented in the following week is the distribution of financial assistance, specifically scholarship grant and educational assistance to poor but deserving students enrolled in various collegiate courses. And again, the Honorable Governor discussed to me and to Board Member Mix Magsaysay the benefit of having a scholarship for medical students, stressing that in the next 5 years, we will be urgently needing more doctors of medicine, especially considering the fact that we have an urgent plan to establish rehabilitation and mental health center and other medical facilities. Those medical students will be considered as scholars of the provincial government of La Union will be given a scholarship at Don Mariano Marcos Memorial State University, East La Union campus, statutorily established by no less than Congressman Dante Garcia, and their scholarship will be throughout their curricular period until they graduate and until they pass the board examination, and they can be readily employed at the rehabilitation and mental health center and other medical facilities to be established or already established by the provincial government of La Union under the return of service arrangement for a period of not less than 3 years. And relative to that, I was furnished by the Sangguniang Panlalawigan Secretariat yesterday afternoon of a certain ordinance which I seriously read last night as a legislative guide. That is ordinance number 457/2024, authored by Board Member Roberto Rillera, titled Strengthening the Medical and Allied Courses Scholarship Program of the Provincial Government of La Union. Chapter 2, Section 1 of said ordinance number 457/2024 states that the provincial healthcare primary network through the provincial government of La Union shall establish an expanded program of scholarship for health professionals such as medicine, dentistry, and pharmacy, among others. However, there is no scholarship program yet for medical students. And it could be evidenced by the scholarship code of 2022. After 2 years, Board Member Fernando B.M. Harold Sibuma and this representation jointly passed the La Union Educational Assistance and Scholarship Code of 2026, Provincial Ordinance number 450/2026, but without incorporating any ordinance on a scholarship program for medical students either in the field of dentistry, pharmacy, or doctor of medicine, because there is no ordinance yet to that effect. So we respectfully propose that we should pass an mandatory ordinance incorporating in our La Union Scholarship Code the scholarship program for medical students, specifically in the area of doctor of medicine, pharmacy, and dentistry, as proposed by the Honorable Governor and as brainchilded by Honorable Roberto Rillera, though there is no ordinance yet on a scholarship program for medical students established, but this is now the time. Because through this ordinance, we could ensure better health services to our people in the province of La Union, while simultaneously providing educational and scholarship assistance to poor but deserving students, specifically in the field of doctor of medicine, pharmacy, and industry. So, at this juncture, Your Honor, I respectfully propose the passage of an amendatory ordinance establishing the scholarship program for medical students in the field of medicine, dentistry, and pharmacy, amending for the purpose Section 4, Section 5, and Article 2 of Provincial Ordinance Number 520/2026. That, Your Honor, is a reconciliation and complementation of the ordinance of Board Member Rillera and the joint ordinance passed by this representation in cooperation with Board Member Harold Sibuma and Board Member Fernando. And I wish that all the members of this august body will be considered as principal sponsors of that ordinance, because it is high time for us to institutionalize a scholarship program for medical students. Thank you very much, Your Honor, and God bless all of us.